हेलो एवरीवन, बी ए लर्नर माय चैनल, इसमें आप सबका स्वागत है। आज मैं आप सबके साथ इंग्लिश जो पेडागोजी है सीटेट से रिलेटेड उसके कुछ ऑब्जेक्टिव जो क्वेश्चन हैं वो शेयर कर रही हूँ। आई होप आप सबको ये वीडियो बहुत पसंद आएगी और आपके एग्ज़ाम में बहुत ज़्यादा हेल्प करेगी। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं। अ लैंग्वेज इज़, फर्स्ट ऑप्शन है अ ब्रॉड टर्म सिंपली रेफरिंग टू ह्यूमन पैटर्न वर्बल behavior in general, a set of specific rule for generating speech, another word for a dialect। तो ऑप्शन बी इसका आंसर है कि जो लैंग्वेज है वो क्या है, अ सेट ऑफ स्पेसिफिक रूल्स फॉर जनरेटिंग स्पीच। द बेस्ट टाइम टू लर्न अ सेकेंड लैंग्वेज इज़ इन, जो टाइम सेकेंड लैंग्वेज सीखने का है वो बेस्ट कौन सा है, तो वो है अर्ली चाइल्डहुड। अर्ली चाइल्डहुड में जो है वो बेस्ट टाइम है सेकेंड लैंग्वेज सीखने का। थर्ड क्वेश्चन है वर्बल कम्युनिकेशन मीन्स, वर्बल जो कम्युनिकेशन मीन्स क्या है, सेंडिंग अ मैसेज इन वर्ड इंक्लूडिंग राइटिंग, इनफॉर्मल कम्युनिकेशन, एग्जैक्ट लिमिटेड मैसेज द स्पीकर वांट्स टू कन्वे, एक्चुअल वर्ड सेट। तो ए ऑप्शन है सेंडिंग अ मैसेज इन वर्ड इंक्लूडिंग writing। Metalinguistic awareness is, metalinguistic awareness is the ability to think and talk about language, the ability to connect the distinctive sound in words to letter, understanding of the mapping principle between sound and meaning, the ability to recognize writing from other visual marks। तो ये ऑप्शन है मेटालिंग्विस्टिक अवेयरनेस इज द एबिलिटी टू थिंक एंड टॉक अबाउट लैंग्वेज। विच स्किल आर रिसेप्टिव, रिसेप्टिव स्किल्स कौन सी हैं, लिसनिंग एंड स्पीकिंग, लिसनिंग एंड रीडिंग, रीडिंग एंड राइटिंग, राइटिंग एंड स्पीकिंग। तो लिसनिंग सुनना एंड रीडिंग पढ़ना है आर रिसेप्टिव। द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट दैट आर ट्रू अबाउट लैंग्वेज इज, ट्रू कौन सी है लैंग्वेज के बारे में, ऑल लैंग्वेज यूज एसेंशली द सेम नंबर ऑफ साउंड, ऑल नेटिव स्पीकर ऑफ अ लैंग्वेज लर्न द बेसिक रूल्स ऑफ ग्रामर इन स्कूल, while the different languages may use different phonemes they all essentially share the same syntax, none of the above। तो इसका ऑप्शन होगा none of the above, बिकॉज इसमें हमसे पूछा गया है ट्रू अबाउट ट्रू लैंग्वेज के बारे में ट्रू क्या है, तो ये तीनों ही चीज़ ट्रू नहीं हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है द स्टेटमेंट दैट बेस्ट डिस्क्राइब्स द लिंग्विस्टिक कंसेप्ट ऑफ वर्ड इज, words are inherent unit of meaning that every child is born with the learns to attach specific sound to specific words। Words are sound that we only attach meaning to through the context of syntax and are by themselves devoid of useful information। Words are written pieces of language that are defined by long cultural consists and term recorded in dictionaries to maintain a uniformity of expression without which words would be arbitrary and meaningless। Words are arbitrary sound that are memorized through brute force and are associated in the mental lexicon with the word itself, its sound and its meaning। तो डी ऑप्शन है यही करेक्ट है। वर्ड्स आर आर्बिट्रेरी साउंड दैट आर मेमोराइज्ड थ्रू ब्रूट फोर्स एंड एसोसिएटेड इन द मेंटल लेक्सिकन विद द वर्ड इटसेल्फ, इट्स साउंड एंड इट्स मीनिंग। क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग द स्टेटमेंट दैट बेस्ट डिस्क्राइब द लिंग्विस्टिक कंसेप्ट ऑफ वर्ड, वर्ड इज आर्बिट्रेरी साउंड। डैश इज द स्टडी ऑफ language from a cognitive and developmental law, psychologistics, sociologistic, comparative linguistics, linguistics। तो psycholinguistics। The following definition best describe language acquisition, the process by which a society vernacular varies, the process by which linguistic is applied to sociology, the process by which the linguistic ability have developed in a human, the process by which the origin of language is developed. सी ऑप्शन, द प्रोसेस बाय विच द लिंग्विस्टिक जो एबिलिटी है वो ह्यूमन में डेवलप होती है, वही लिंग्विस्टिक एक्विजिशन की डेफिनेशन है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, अ स्टूडेंट रिकमेंड्स द रीडिंग ऑफ द लेटेस्ट बेस्ट सेलर saying that it is very interesting. You listen trying to make out whether the student's observation is sincere or not. The type of listening can be described: critical listening, comprehension listening, sympathetic listening, active. A option, critical. Children deserve most of the credit for the language that they acquire. The observation implies in the modern classroom. Students pursue their own lines of inquiry. Students not need to attend language 2 classes. Students may choose language 2 on their own. The teacher establishes the task and support or facilitate learning. Option A is correct. Students pursue their own line of inquiry. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, स्टूडेंट लर्निंग अ लैंग्वेज ऑफन लैक कॉन्फिडेंस वाइल स्पीकिंग ड्यू टू लैंग्वेज यूनिक pronunciation rule. One way to overcome this problem is, which is the way to overcome the problem is, then option shows on the screen. Children reading aloud in class, using game like activities which require strictly verbal interaction in the classroom, conducting special speech therapy with a counselor. Option B is correct. Using game like activities which require, that helps the students to overcome the problem while speaking because there is a lack of confidence in them. The contemporary large target language classroom is a confluence of varied language and language abilities. Teachers should restructure their practices by exposing students to summarize and simplify version of the learning material, example, stories, grammar notes, etc. Students with a variety of tasks which cover the syllabus, and students give their response in the class under teacher guidance. Appropriate challenges based on the syllabus in a secure environment, opportunity for all students to explore idea and gain mystery. So option C is correct. For student to gain language skill from textbook, and the textbook learning should correlate with the assessment and achievement, lead to using the textbook sparingly, expose them to more literary reading, become more cost effective compared to a technologically supported course. So option A is correlate with assessment and achievement, help to gain language skill from textbook and the textbook learning to student. While teaching hearing impaired student, जो बच्चे सुन नहीं पाते, इन सुन तो लेते हैं लेकिन कम, इन एन inclusive class, समावेशी कक्षा में, it is necessary for a teacher to make sure that they are including signs and non-verbal signal to strengthen any communication. Conduct regular a special class for such student. Be in constant touch with the parents of such student. Use cue card to signal the teaching content. Option A is correct. Make sure that they are including signs and non-verbal signal to strengthen any communication. While translating a subject and using the translation in the mainstream curriculum, the benefit is promoting national identity, enrich linguistic capability and appreciation, enabling teachers who are not competent in the mainstream language to take classes, standardizing culture identity. Option B, enriching linguistic capability and appreciation. Next question is, the teaching of reading by associating character or group of character with sound is the method morphemic, direct, phonic, or language. So phonic is the method that teaching of reading by associating character and group of character with sound. Sound से related phonic होता है. Teachers can remediate for the student with language learning difficult by. Difficult का क्या होता है? Focus on individual progress with individual instructions. So option A is correct. CALP, CALP stand for Dash Academic Language Proficiency. CALP की हमें फुल फॉर्म बतानी है. So option C, Cognitive Academic Language Proficiency is the full form of CALP. There are 44 sounds in English. Out of these, how many sounds are vowels and how many are consonant respectively? Option A, 20 vowels and 24 consonant respectively. Which one of the following is not true about the status of English language across the world? English is a native language, English is a heritage language, English is a foreign language, English is a second language. So they ask us from not true. Not true पूछा गया है, तो English is a heritage language. The study of words and their meanings is known as simply semantic. Semantic is the correct option. Etymology is science of pedagogy, science of study of language, science of meaning of words, science of knowing the origin of words. So the option D is correct. Science of knowing the origin of words is etymology. The first generation learners are those who are coming first time to school to seek admission, learning Hindi for the first time, learning English for the first time, the first from their family to come to school. Option D, the first generation learners are those the first from their family to come to school. A good paragraph writing in English involves correct punctuation marks, ideas, presentation and coherence, flowery language, legibly, handwriting. So B option is correct. Ideas, presentation and coherence is a good paragraph writing. Children can best learn a language which they have in a good textbook, a proficient language teacher, inhibitions, motivation. Motivation is best learn a language when they have the motivation. I hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe my channel and comment also if you feel any query in the video. Thank you.